Before you waste $15 a month on Notion AI, watch this first. Notion AI is baked into every paid plan now. No separate add-on. But there's one type of user who should skip it entirely. That's coming. Ask it. What did we decide about the rebrand in Q3? It searches every page, every doc, returns an answer with citations. Got 500 plus pages of docs. This is the killer feature. How many pages is your Notion? Comment below. Autofill database properties is the hidden power move. It reads every CRM row and generates summaries in bulk. Next actions, status updates, auto-filled, no manual work, zero copy-paste. Microsoft Copilot wins in Excel and PowerPoint. Coda AI matches Notion feature for feature. But Notion wins on adoption. More teams already live there. Which tool are you on right now? Drop it below. Free plan. 20 AI responses total, then locked. Plus, $10 per user per month on annual billing. Business, 15. No separate AI add-on fee anymore. That's new in 2024. Score, 7.5 out of 10. Already a Notion daily. This saves real time. Solo user, stop. $20 on Claude Pro. Beats it. Are you using Notion AI? Tell me in the comments. Link in the description. Subscribe for daily AI tool reviews.